It's December 1st, and that means one more month that you can run ads in the month of this year, 2020. It's been a crazy year. We've had e-commerce sales just go through the roof. Amazon has hired over 100,000 additional employees in the past 6 months. And Black Friday just ended. So what does that mean if you're running paid ads in the month of December? Well, stay tuned with me, and you will find out if it's profitable this month or you're going to lose your shirt. I'm well connected here in the online marketing and online ads community. So I'm pulling out people that are spending millions of dollars per month in ads, as well as looking at my numbers of running paid ads for the last 10 years. And again, it's that time of year where you should be preparing for cancellations in your business, where you have leads that are not profitable or not taking any action because it's that time of year. And you have a lot of broke applicants because Black Friday just ended. So whatever money they had, they put into the Black Friday sales, the TVs, electronics. For me, it's camera equipment. It's, upping my studio here. And if you're going to run ads to generate, say, like call bookings, say if you're selling something high ticket, this is probably the worst time of year. Yeah, I would recommend after January 1st. And so my recommendations for running ads in December is only run paid traffic if you know your niche converts in December, meaning like it's Christmas, Christmas products. It's products that really sell really well in the month of December. And so you know your market. And if you know that your sales usually do really well in December, then run ads. But for the majority of people, whether it's like digital courses or consultancy, coaching, things like that, are going to take a big hit, as well as a lot of e-commerce, depending on your niche. And so this is something I like to warn people about. Most people don't even consider this, but if you're running ads in December, you don't want to blow through your ad budget and assume that you're going to get the same ROI as you did in previous months. So like, for example, this summer, we're getting on one program 1.2 ROI, but now that ROI has plummeted to 0.6 in the month of November. So the month of December, are we expecting things to kind of like shoot back up? Well, probably not. If anything, it's probably going to be about the same. You need to be prepared to focus on your January 1st strategy. That means kind of like letting off the gas in December and then retooling your business for January 1st. That's what I like to do in most cases, in most years, is kind of like examine everything. Right now, I'm bringing on new clients in my agency, but I'm not running their traffic until after January 1st. So if you want to come on as a client, this is absolutely the best time to reach me, as I'm retooling and setting up my calendar year for 2021. And I can only take so many clients. This is the perfect time. Just send me out an email, support@rhinowebconsulting.com, and we will get you a consult by the end of the month and get you set up if you want to run paid traffic. But keep that budget to a minimum right now for new leads, and especially if you're doing high ticket, things that require high pressure sales tactics are just not going to work. People are not usually buying cars in the month of December. I saved something like $5,000 when I bought my Nissan 350Z Roadster in a snowstorm the day after Christmas. So I saved a lot of money because nobody was going to buy a car. Nobody's going to buy a Roadster convertible top in the middle of winter. So there's some niches that do well, like some that don't. So unless you're doing Christmas sales or you know your niche better than I know, things that we do that we're kind of like scaling back on is like the dating, health, fitness, six pack, make money, business opportunity, coaching. These things like that are not really the best time to run in December. I recommend you kind of just re-examine your strategy. And that's what we're doing right now. Just like really examining our 2020 year and focusing on creating a 10x 2021. So just be careful with your ad spend in 2020, and don't let your Facebook ads get banned when you're running just a small amount of traffic here. You want to set up for a new strategy, be compliant, follow the new rules. I don't know, buy another Facebook ads course. I don't know, but then tool up your business, getting ready for 2021, and focus just on retargeting, closing out your existing customers and leads, and absolutely follow up via email. We just closed a Black Friday sale, for example. Pause your ads if you don't really know for sure you're going to get that 2x ROI plus that you want. And just come visit us at Rhino Web Consulting. You can go to ryanshaw.me and apply for a 15-minute free consultation. We'll review your entire account for the year and see if we can make an improvement for next year. I'll give you some tips and tricks and at least 3 or 4 different things that you can take and improve your business next year. So that being said, keep your ad spend low and keep your ROI high and ready to go for January 1st, as New Year's resolutions are going to be in full swing, I would say.